Welcome back to my Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be setting up Vodacom 5G internet settings Tanzania. So let us first subscribe to this YouTube channel, let us like the video, let us share the video to our Vodacom fellow users. So this tutorial is for informational, educational and research purposes only, so users are required to follow up with the internet service providers terms and conditions before continuing to this tutorial. So let us subscribe, share the video to our friend, and then let us continue to our phone settings. So opening the settings, you're going to be doing this. You're going to look for our dual SIM and network. Then after, you're going to look for our Vodacom SIM card, which is right in SIM 1. So do this. After opening that, look for access point names, and then after, let us go right where we have a plus button. On some devices the plus button may be appearing right here down, and on some devices the plus button may be up right there. So let us go and then press that plus button. From on my device it is right here up, and then I'm going to be adding a new APN. So this is what you're going to do. At this point I request maximum attention to my viewers and my dear subscribers. So we're going to put in the name which is 5G unlimited Vodacom. Just put on with that Vodacom, then after save. The APN type we're going to enable the caps lock on our keyboard, and then put in IMS in capital letter IMS. The reason why I'm putting IMS, I want to connect direct to the satellite so that I can access a fast, a stable and a secure internet, a limitless one that will unblock all websites without limitation. So let me save this one, and then after, the port you're going to be using 443, and then we're going to go where we have the server right here, server, put in www.google.com. The reason why I'm using Google is because Google may give us the unlimited one, which we have used in the name. Google as a server will provide us with the unlimited, fast, secure and stable internet connection. Then save. You're going to use the MMS port, put in 443, and then after save, we're going to come where we have the authentication type, leave it, APN type, leave it, APN protocol, choose IPv4/IPv6, the roaming protocol, IPv4/IPv6. Then after the bearer, I recommend you guys to select all. So guys, after selecting all, don't forget to subscribe, share this with your friend. Then let me go back. Then after, you're going to come where we have the save button right here, and then I'm going to be saving. And then after, do this before leaving. Then enable the APN settings you have set, and then wait for a few moments. You can enable the airplane mode, put on airplane mode on and then off, and then after you'll be able to connect to a fast, secure and unstable internet connection for extra protection and unlimited access. So I sign out.